And we're off yet again. We're going out to meet Victor and Abe. Should be good. They're doing, I believe, 5-foot ornamental fence, maybe mixed with something else as well. So it's not too far away and should be fun. Let's go. Right when I showed up, I could tell there was a problem. The Bobcat had a pretty bad hydraulic leak. Abe was hoping he could fix it on the field, but ultimately had to take it back to the shop. So I just got here and the auger is leaking hydraulic fluid like crazy. So Abe's been working on it, but I don't know what they're gonna do right now. So while Abe took the Bobcat back to get fixed, the rest of the guys started on the next phase of the fence. Oh yeah, this fence is vinyl, by the way. In the backyard, the guys will be doing some ornamental fence, but in the front, it's all vinyl. Moving right along, looking good. Like it so far. Now that Abe got back with the Bobcat, it's time to mark out the posts. That way he can start digging the holes.
Esa es una línea, ¿no? Las que marqué así son líneas de agua.
The guys are still setting posts, and the goal is to finish this today and then come back tomorrow to get the rest of it done. With day 1 wrapped up and day 2 underway, the guys are ready to start putting up the rails in the vinyl fence. They made this part of the job look super easy. And to be fair, if you set your post right, it really is. It's just snapping the rails into place. We'll be back to clean up later, but for now, the front fence is done. Now we're heading to the backyard where we had to repair a drain that I got hit while digging. Nothing major, but we still need to make sure it's fixed right before moving on. Got all the concrete laid out, and now we're setting. I had to leave, but the guys stayed late to finish the post. That way, the next day, they could set up the panels and everything would go smoothly. First step at day 3 is just setting up all the panels in the right spot. That way when we get to them later, it'll be super easy and we just have to screw them all in. Early on, there were several sections that had to be cut, but after that, it was really quick and really easy, and they just started flying through it.
Whoa. The funny thing is, he says, hey, let's go to the front row and pick a person.
And from there, it's just cleaning up a lot of dirt piles and making everything look nice and new. And that pretty much wraps up the project. The guys did have to go back the next day to install the gates. We were waiting on those from the shop. Other than that, the fence was done. Everything was cleaned up. It looked great. The customer was happy. Everything was good. And that's another job in the books. Hey. That is a wrap. Well, kinda. We got the gates and stuff tomorrow, but it looks cool with the light. Got anything to say?
Went by not so quick, but you know,
Yeah.
at least we didn't have too many problems. The only thing would be the brackets, but we'll be back for that tomorrow. And then, you know, last touches. Pretty good day.
Cool.